Welcome to Smart Finance with Yemi. Here's something few people realize. Your income can change overnight. Your investments can rise and fall. But if your financial identity is unstable, money will never stay. Today, I introduce a brand new framework, the Financial Identity Anchor. This explains why wealth follows consistency of identity, not just strategy. Medium White Star Section 1. What is financial identity? Financial identity is how you see money, how you react to gains and losses, how you behave under pressure, how consistently you make decisions. Identity drives behavior. Behavior drives wealth. Medium White Star Section 2. WHY. Most people have a weak financial identity. Most people change strategies frequently. Panic during losses. Overspend during wins. Follow trends emotionally. Lack a stable money self-image. Unanchored identity creates chaos. Medium White Star Section 3. The Financial Identity Anchor Model. The Financial Identity Anchor has 4 anchoring points. Anchor 1. Value anchor, clear financial values, non-negotiables, long-term priorities, values, stabilized choices. Anchor 2. Role anchor, spender versus builder versus allocator, defined money role, consistent behavior role, clarity prevents conflict. Anchor 3. Decision anchor, fixed decision rules, emotional boundaries, delayed responses, consistency beats brilliance. Anchor 4. Future anchor, defined financial future, identity-aligned goals, long-term vision, future clarity anchors today. Medium White Star Section 4. How to install your identity anchor. Keycap 1. Write your money values. Keycap 2. Define your financial role. Keycap 3. Create decision rules. Keycap 4. Visualize your future self. Keycap 5. Act in alignment. Daily identity attracts wealth. Medium White Star Section 5. Signs your identity is anchored. White heavy checkmark. Calm under pressure. White heavy checkmark. Consistent habits. White heavy checkmark. Fewer emotional swings. White heavy checkmark. Steady progress. White heavy checkmark. Wealth feels natural. Bullseye. Conclusion. Money doesn't stay where identity is weak. Fire. It stays where identity is anchored. Install the Financial Identity Anchor, and wealth will finally stabilize.